Jeffrey Gershman.
Morning.
Mr. Gershman.
Yes.
I have your parking record here. Never had a parking ticket in Providence. So all of a sudden, you have an overtime parking ticket. Now, I'm going to guess. It was up by Merriam Hospital?
It was.
What happened?
I went from Summit Avenue, took a right on 6th Street, parked the car. 2 cars in front of me, the exit for the parking lot, then a few more cars, and that's where the sign was.
Yeah.
So you never saw the sign.
No. The sign said you can park there for 2 hours. You were there more than 2 hours.
Absolutely.
Right?
But I never saw the sign, and I never got the ticket on the car. This is the first piece of paper that I received the other day.
Inspector Quinn. He didn't get the ticket. He didn't see the sign. You sure you were driving a car?
I was, Your Honor.
Okay. I have a note here that your wife was a student of mine when I taught school.
She was.
Yeah?
She was. The day you passed the bar, you brought coffee and donuts.
For everybody.
For everybody. She was in your class that time.
Yeah, well. In my other life, I taught school at Hope High School.
Correct, that's what she
But
went.
while I was teaching school, I went to law school nights in Boston.
Correct.
So finally, when I passed the bar, I didn't have any clients. So I bought everybody coffee and donuts, and I said, I want all of you to know that I'm practicing law now. I was really soliciting business. Not really. They were the best bunch of young people I've ever encountered in my life, students in high school back then. What was her maiden name?
Judy Levine.
Oh, I gave her an A, right?
I don't know.
Oh.
I should have been in your class then.
Well, you brought back some nice memories.
I'm glad.
Okay. You never had a parking ticket. You were visiting in the hospital. The matter's going to be dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I think that's what justice demands here.
Thank you.
Good luck. Vera Pelletier. Good morning, Vera.
Good morning, Your Honor.
What part of go away don't you understand?
That's not meant for you.
So this morning, Vera, when you got up, right, you said, I'm going to court today. So I'm going to give the judge a message. So you looked at your entire wardrobe and you said, this is the message I'm going to give. Let me see. Let me read it. What part of go away don't you understand? You want me to leave now?
No.
Oh, all right. Maybe.
That's what I think it's intended for me, Judge.
Maybe you. Vera, yes.
I think my wife and kids own a dozen of these.
All right, Vera, you're charged with going through a red light on Dean and Route 10. We're going to take a look at it, okay? Light is yellow. It's red. What's the time on this?
0.4.
Hey, Vera, what do you want to tell me about this?
There's really not too much to say. I thought it was yellow when I went underneath it, but evidently it wasn't.
Yeah. What do you think about this, Inspector Quinn? She was pretty close.
It was 0.4, Judge, at, I don't know, midnight, and maybe somebody told her to go away. I don't know.
Were you in a hurry?
Probably, yeah.
Probably. Boy, she's very vocal.
Yeah.
Now I know why she wore that. She didn't want to talk. She said, I'm not talking. I'm not saying anything, right? I'm just going to let him read what I have.
Just let it go away.
I'm going to look at it once more. I just want to see what's going on here, okay? I want you to look at it and see if there's something you can tell me that's going to help you. All right, stop it. All right, now just leave it like that. All right, is there anything you want to tell me that you think can help you?
No, it shows it right there that I went through it.
Very close. So you're absolutely guilty.
I guess.
You guess.
It shows it.
She knows her constitutional rights.
I was going to say.
She knows she's got a right not to talk, and she's going to exercise that right not to talk. All right, here's what you're supposed to tell me, okay? You're supposed to say, Judge, look at the video, and then I'll look at the video, okay? And you're going to say, look at it now, and I'm going to look at it now. And then you're supposed to say, I already went through the light, and I was 1/10 of a second more than I was supposed to be. and it was past midnight, and the road was completely empty. There were no cars coming. I didn't cause an issue for anyone else. I recognize and appreciate that I went through the light 1/10 of a second more than I was supposed to, but I really wish you would take into consideration the time and the circumstances. Now, what do you want to tell me about this?
Verbatim.
I'm listening.
Well, I didn't realize it was almost a 1/10, but it was.
See? Perfect. There's one thing about you, you listen. I don't know. I'm going to look.
I have no idea.
I'm trying to see if there's some way I can convict you. I just can't find it. All right, Vera, for those, for all of the reasons that I just pointed out on things that you should have told me, because I know you were thinking of them. Were you thinking of them?
Yeah.
See, she was thinking, she was fast. She was
now
fast.
I get it.
Very fast.
I'll answer that question.
All right, so for all those things that you were supposed to tell me, but that you really couldn't articulate, but you meant to say, I recognize that you were going to tell me those. Okay. And I understand it's time for you to go away. Have a good day.
To see more awesome cases like this, watch Court in Providence every weekday. What? You don't know what channel it's on? Poor excuse. Go to courtinprovidence.com, click on your local listings, scroll down till you find your hometown, and boom, you're in. Trust me, it's easy. If my grandson Charlie can do it, so can you.
All rise and hit subscribe so you don't miss the latest viral moments like this one. Share these videos and weigh in on the cases. You be the judge. Subscribe now.